Good afternoon, BROCHIKAS, or whenever you're watching this vlog. We're starting a new one today. I've been in the mood to vlog again, which is great. I'm feeling like so much better still, so yes, for positive vibes. Anyways, it is grocery shopping day. It is Friday. I actually have a couple of errands to run though. So I need to go check my P.O. box. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got two things. I guess it's from you guys. I'm gonna have to open it and see. I'm sure it'll tell me who it's from, but I believe it's from 2 subscribers. So I got a package and a letter. That's so exciting. So I do have to like go grocery shopping first and like get home, and because it's 12:30, and so I don't want to like sit here and unbox it right now because I do have work at 4. But in the later part of this vlog, we will do a P.O. box unboxing of the things that you guys sent me. That is super sweet. I'm so excited to see what it is. Hey, BROCHIKAS. So it is the next day. It is Saturday. I got ready for the day just because like I felt like looking cute, you know? I didn't feel like wearing lashes or anything, but I washed my hair today and I curled it. And it's just looking more and more like reddish every time I wash it, but I'm kind of like loving the color that's going on. It's hard to see in camera, but I always take a lot of Instagram pictures and Snapchat pictures whenever I put makeup on because it just makes me feel better about myself. But I'm loving it. I'm loving matching my eyebrows and my eyeshadow and my lips to my hair. It's like my favorite thing to do. But anyways, I wanted to open the 2 pieces of mail that I got in my P.O. box. So first I have a letter. It doesn't say who it's from, but they have very nice handwriting. I will say that, like very cursive, beautiful handwriting. And this comes from Jacksonville. Okay, so I'm very confused. It's this little booklet and there's nothing else inside of here. And it doesn't say who it's from. And it says, "Tell it like it is, the real issue." This kind of looks like it's controversial. So this is like kind of religious. Is this satire? Is this what satire is? Like, this is kind of creepy, dude. What is this? I'm gonna have to read this later because this is kind of creepy. Controversial, but thank you for taking the time to send that to me. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't see the name, but it says Bridgeport, Connecticut. I don't see the first name. Or else I don't want to say the last name because I don't want to like let information go. But she gave me a little letter, and you guys, this is exactly what I've been looking for from Dollar Tree. These are the serums. And I said to you guys, literally, if you send me these, I will pay you. Oh my gosh, girl, that was so sweet of you. You should have told me. I would have like sent you some money to ship it. Oh my goodness. And you found the hyaluronic acid vitamin C. I've been out of this one. This one is my favorite. Absolutely love this. This double strength retinol night repair serum is amazing. If you like the Estee Lauder night repair, you're gonna like this. It's the same thing, but it costs you $1. And it works just as well. And it helps like your skin get better. Like if you have acne scars or like pimples that are just on your face right now, it'll help like clear them quicker. Retinol is amazing, and this vitamin C serum is so amazing. I mean, I drenched myself in this, and she got me 2 of each. Girl, like I cannot. I need a hug right now. Like, you give me a hug right now. Oh, bitch, you know me. I love you. Thank you. Literally, thank you so much. Like, I still have not come across these serums anytime I go to Dollar Tree. The only time I've seen them was in New England. And if you're from Connecticut, well, that kind of makes sense because I found mine in Marlborough, Massachusetts. And I haven't come across them since. Oh my God, I'm just like, you guys, I'm just so I'm so incredibly excited. I'm so incredibly excited. Oops, I think one of them started leaking. I'm so like over the moon. I freaking love this stuff. Creme de Skin Nutritions. Guys, if you see these, pick them up for yourself. They are age defying. They're gonna even your skin tone. Vitamin C is amazing for your skin. You're gonna love it, trust me, just pick it up. And let's see this little letter. Thank you so much, Olivia. You don't know how much this means to me, seriously. I've been looking for these serums. I'm gonna read this letter in private though. You're so sweet. I'm like literally welling up in my eyes. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. And she did say that she was a healthcare worker, so for everything that you've been doing in this pandemic, thank you so much. Seriously, like I don't say it enough because I think I'm like numb to, like, not numb to what's going on because it is affecting me, obviously. I've told you guys it's affecting me, but I keep forgetting to continue to thank like everybody on the front lines working in this pandemic. So that's amazing that you are in healthcare, and I'm sure it's really hard for you, and I'm sure you're really tired, and I'm sure it's very stressful, and I wish you the best. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'm just happy that my videos are, you know, bringing some positive vibes to you. It's all I can do is just try to give positive vibes and, well, mostly just be real because it's not positive all the time, you know. So I'm just so happy that we have connected via the internet. It's truly amazing that I have you guys as friends. Very sweet of you to send that letter and these serums over. I just think it's so wonderful that you just thought to do that. That's such a beautiful thing, especially with all that you're going through right now. So stay safe, girl, and thank you so much for everything that you do. And to all of you, if you're essential workers, frontline workers, thank you to all of you for doing what you do. I literally can't imagine. I'm just a waitress for 2 days a week. Like, I don't even, you know, I do this and I'm a waitress. So I wear a mask 2 days a week and that's it. I don't even do anything like that important. So thank you guys. So I just had to tell you guys this because it's just so precious that she's literally a mini me. She's obsessed with witches and vampires. So we're watching Vampire Diaries. We're starting it from the beginning. And she loves chai tea lattes. So I made us chai tea lattes. And we're just here, so cute, having girl time. I love it. So I can't remember if I already started a new vlog, but I wanted to show you guys something. So this is either part of a vlog or me starting a new vlog. I'm not sure. I have so much footage that I need to edit. I edited one video today that I'm going to upload, and I have so much more to edit that I don't know where I'm at with my vlogs. But once again, I picked up something free from Facebook Marketplace. I'm telling y'all, do not sleep on Facebook Marketplace. Maybe I just have a particularly giving area, but a lot of the times I find things for free. They're like, as long as you pick them up, you know, because they're cleaning their house and they just want things out of there instead of having to drive it to a donation center. So check your neighborhood. Specifically, I get a lot of free stuff off of this group that's for my neighborhood and a couple surrounding neighborhoods, and it's called the Buy Nothing Blah 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 group. And yeah, everybody just gives away stuff that they don't feel like bringing somewhere to donation, or they don't want anymore, and they're just cleaning their house. So if you don't belong to a group for your like neighborhood or something, or your development, definitely try to look for one. And if you don't have one, or if you don't live like near people, sorry, but that's how I get a lot of my free stuff. So I got a little like artwork and a pair of shoes. These shoes are so nice, you guys. These are size 9, perfect for me, Calvin Klein, and they're kind of like a greige, like a gray beige. And, you know, there's not that much wear and tear. Like, they look really nice, in my opinion. So I don't have a pair of heels this color. They look really easy to walk in because they're booties, kind of, even though they're, like, open toe and heel. So cute. This is exactly my style. I love it. And the best part is the strap is Velcro. So, yeah, the strap is Velcro, which makes life so easy when putting on heels. But yeah, I think these look really nice, you know, for being used. And the best part about used heels and boots, you guys, I know some people may not like to have used clothes and everything, or shoes, but listen, they're worn in, so they're gonna be comfortable because somebody already wore them in. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, the worst thing about getting new heels is wearing them in. So for Calvin Klein, dude, I got these for free. There's a little scuff here, but like, honestly, you're not gonna notice that. You're not gonna notice that when I'm all dressed up. You know what I'm saying? Those are actually really nice for free. And then here is the little picture that I got. It's actually a pretty good size. I would say it's like over a foot tall and wide. And it's Marilyn Monroe. I love Marilyn Monroe. You guys know I have that huge painting of her with tattoos on her, and I haven't put it up in my room yet. And I love that this has a pink accent, because I was thinking about like having some pink accents in my room. I always like to have red, but I feel like if I do red and pink accents with like the Hollywoodish vibe that I have going on, wouldn't that be really, really cute? Like red and pink. My room is a mess, by the way, sorry. But yeah, so this is like my gallery wall. And I don't know if I should like try to put the big Marilyn over here and the little Marilyn over here, or if I should like try to see if I could put the big Marilyn here and the little Marilyn over here. I'm not sure what I should do. If you guys have any ideas, please let me know in the comments, because I don't know what I want to do. I was going to put the big Marilyn here, and my husband was like, no, I don't need Marilyn to be like over our heads. And I was like, well, where else am I going to put her? I can't use this wall. This is my wall with the mirror, and that's all that I want to put there, because it would just be too much to put other stuff here. And then eventually I want to get like a cute little side table right here and put a little plant. Actually, I'm planning on hanging the plant. I want to do that today. This little plant down here. And I don't want to put anything on this wall because I just feel like I don't think that would look good. So you guys let me know if I should just continue to fill up this whole wall like a gallery wall, or if I should put the big Marilyn over here and the little Marilyn here. Okay, but yeah, I'm like super greasy and gross. I'm actually about to go on a walk because it's been a few days since I exercised. I do need to get some exercise in. So I'm gonna go on a walk since hubby's home. I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that he's here and I can go on a walk outside. Our gym is closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, and that is so annoying because it's actually pretty humid outside, so I'd rather go on the treadmill in our community gym, but for some reason, the gym and the pool are closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, which is just completely lame. This is today's lunch. It is a garden lime crunch chopped salad that I buy from H-E-B. It's like a little kit. It's got pepitas, cabbage, romaine lettuce. I think there's a little kale in there. This like garden lime dressing is so good. And then I added a few walnuts, and I added half of a small avocado. You can't really see it. And what else does it have? Oh, it has a little bit of the crispy fried onions, but not too many. And I actually eat the whole bag. It's actually not that much if this is all you're eating. So this is my first meal of the day after my walk, and I'm having a big Arizona green tea, those packets that I bought from Dollar Tree. It's only 5 calories and like 2 carbs, I believe. So what's good? Chilling in the pool with some Truly. This is my least favorite flavor, watermelon kiwi. By the way, this one sucks. If you are gonna get Truly, the watermelon, the pineapple and the mango is very good. The passion fruit is good. And also they have a lemonade, like 12 pack with like different lemonade flavors. That one is bomb. So I've just been drinking these lately because I got tired of tequila. If you guys follow me like for a long time, you know I love me some tequila, and I'm always making like drink recipes, but I got a little tired of it and I needed a change. So I've been getting Trulies. And I'm wearing my Shein bathing suit. This one came with high-waisted underwears, like high-waisted bottoms, and I don't really like them. They're like too high-waisted and too full coverage. So I'm just wearing the top, and I'm wearing the pink bottoms. They're like tie waist bottoms. They tie at each side. This belonged to another swimsuit I got from the straight side, and this one is from the plus side. It's like a rainbow metallic silver, but I just paired them together. And yeah, it's like 97 degrees. Our community pool is closed. Oh, I can't get this on. Our community pool is closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, sadly. So we decided to clean and fill our little pool in the backyard again. But I have been loving the community pool. We usually go on Sundays, but yesterday we couldn't go because it was raining. So that's why I felt the urge to come to this one today. And I was with the kids chilling, but they were getting too crazy. And they had been here for a while, so it was time for them to go inside. And I was like, babe, I need some alone time. I need some girl time. So that's why I'm out here listening to music.
I just want to.
What?
Let's go have boy time downstairs.